Hi, well, we're 18 days away from the mid-semester exam, so just a reminder, if you're after some help, here are some places you can get it. UTS Online, firstly. Now, the discussion boards have been a bit quiet so far, and we're pretty sure that's because you've been working through the materials and looking at the solutions. But, if you do come across some problems, feel free to, post it up. And we're going to try to answer the questions, and we're going to try to look at UTS Online every day. Please remember, we prefer the questions on UTS Online rather than email. I've been a little bit flexible with that at the moment. When I've answered people's email questions, I've asked them to post them up on UTS Online. It hasn't been happening yet, so I might be a little bit more pedantic about that, because we do have a lot of similar questions. Dave and I would rather see them on UTS Online. Don't forget also the drop-in classes are still on. We have now finished all the drop-in classes that had a particular theme. So from now on, the drop-ins are going to be pretty free form. So it's up to you to ask whatever questions you've got. You're more than welcome to come along, but if you do, please make sure you've got some questions. These aren't tutes with a pre-organised lesson plan. We're also going to be doing some exam drop-in classes. So we're going to hold two special exam drop-ins on Friday the 14th of September. The first is between 10 AM and noon in C105 here in Building 5. So that's CM05C.01.05 between 10 and 12 on the 14th of September. And the second one is on the same day, between 5 and 7 PM. It's also in Building 5 in room D219. So that's CM05D.02.19 between 5 PM and 7 PM. Both of those drop-ins are on the 14th of September, leading up to the mid-semester exam. Don't forget UPass. The guys running UPass did well in the subject. They're very well placed to help you out if you want to see them, and we do recommend you do. They're nice people. Plus they're useful. More than us, maybe. Okay, so see you all next week. Next week, I've already talked about the mid-semester exam, but we'll be looking into the first of the liability topics and talking about debt in general and provisions and contingencies specifically. You would have noticed that we haven't got assignment 1, essay 1 back to you yet. Look, I do apologise for that. The marking took a little bit longer than expected. So the marking should be being wrapped up this weekend, and that'll mean we'll have the essays back for you next week on Thursday in tutorials of week 6, and hopefully the marks will be going up earlier in the week as well. Now, mid-semester exam review, if you weren't in the lecture in week 5, then I did talk about the structure of the exam, so please have a listen to the lecture recording. Okay, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. We're up there. Dave's posting a bit, I'm posting a bit. There's some cool stuff happening in the press. And remember, if you fall asleep, don't drink this rubbish, because it's rubbish. Have coffee instead. Okay, see you in class. Bye.